cutting these complex angles with that chainsaw. This is our hip. We have here a bastard hip, which is a combination of a 3 and a 5, so we've had to modify this truss package. Beautiful. That's gonna be a perfect fit.
And that's what we're looking for. String line to just barely touch the top of this board. Clavels! He needs the clavels!
Fabuloso!
Fabuloso! Drew used the Fabuloso at our project we just wrapped up.
Nice. Good cuts. Are able to run our sheathing, basically where our valley here intersects. This morning it took a while to get our compound miters for our valley jacks. On this side, we're able to pull off, pull our measurements from our trusses. Now we're sheathing the roof. We got our zip 5/8. We're running our sheathing. We're staging so many sheets here and working our way because this stuff is pretty heavy. Weighs roughly 90 pounds a sheet.
We use the Milwaukee blower. You can never have a clean enough roof deck. Just blow it off. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Keep your shoes clean.
Thanks, Dad. We're borrowing my dad's blower because I don't have one. And he lives right down the road. So thanks, Johnny boy. I don't even think he knows we have it. It's way better to be the guy borrowing the tool than loaning it out. I know that. Snow coming. We're gonna get this wrapped up today. So we got the main side sheave. You can see we just cut our hip. So I'm going to start in this region with our common trusses, and that way I can get everything to break, and then now it's just easier to measure when you start square. I can't see much. We're getting a big snow tomorrow. So, we hung up the old job site lighting. We're just picking up for the day. Here's Alex over here playing with his dinghy.
Dinghy at the end froze up.
Remember that, Chris Farley?